Design-Tek Tool Plastics is a plastics-based company. We make all kinds of plastic parts. We design them from even off of a napkin. We can bring it from a drawing up to a physical part that they can use in their industry.
We have a very broad range of capabilities. We do the injection molding, the mold making, custom design work, blow molding. We can do hot stamping on parts, assembly and packaging. We cover a very wide range of manufacturing capabilities.
For blow molding, we have a machine that we make gallon rounds on. We recently purchased a larger machine, a Unilloy, that makes 1,000 bottles an hour.
In the mold making, we have CNC machines, they're Fidals, grinders, we have lace.
We have a small Rochelou machine that does a small 8-ounce bottle. It will do 800 bottles an hour. It's completely automated.
The past 6 months, we've worked on everything from iPad cases, iPhone cases, electronic cases.
So we can design the product in a CAD program. We have SolidWorks that we use, and then we also have several CAM machining software that we use, MasterCam and SurfCam, to machine our products and make the molds.
If you're an inventor and you have an idea, which is how I started and came to them, I didn't know if it would be successful or not, but they were willing to do all of the little details and walk me through the process and educate me about it. And as I became more educated, I realized there was more applications for injection molded products. Everyone else I talked to just wanted to give me a mold design and we'll mold it and here's your price. They weren't really interested in the development of the product. So I think that's where their real niche and specialty is taking kind of an idea, developing it into a usable product that makes sense, it's marketable, and then helping you grow.
The main reason we went with Design-Tek is because of their ability to produce quickly, on time, and their lead times were very advantageous to us. Our normal lead time was 8 to 13 weeks, and with theirs it was only a couple weeks.
Other companies seem to say that, yeah, we can get that fixed in 4 to 6 weeks. I can get this fixed in 3 to 4 days. I know Brent's going to hate to admit to that, but he does it for me.
I talked to several different companies as we looked at our idea, and they were the most responsive in time, and also they frankly wanted the business. They wanted to work with us. They recognized that we had to do testing and research and design before we knew if it worked.
Our machine to do our bottle is brand spanking new, and they did that just for our business. And then I got the molds for it, and now we are just starting our runs on the 8-ouncer. And as we get that started, we're now going to start tooling on a 12-ounce bottle.
He went from one building to this one here, which is almost 5 times the size of the other. He could see the room for growth and the need to provide what he needed to provide for his customers. And the size of the machines that he has right now are more than adequate for the production of my product.
Even on an emergency, sometimes I have called them in the morning and said, oh man, I'm out of stuff, can you please make it? They have dropped what they're doing, made parts, delivered to them by hand, delivered us by that evening so that we could keep our production rolling.
I call these guys up in the morning, let them know what the sales are. If there's an order that comes in at 11 o'clock, they'll get that order together by 12, 12:30 and ready to ship the same day, which is something my customers really love.
The prices were very competitive. Their price was about average, maybe a little below average, a little lower than average on the pricing. But more than that, the delivery times, good pricing, good people to work with, were all very important to me.
Brent has taken very good care of me. I give him 5-star rating, definitely.
I've dealt with a lot of companies, a lot of small companies, a lot of large companies. Design-Tek's been a pleasure to work with. I would recommend them to anybody to give them a shot.
Whether you have a design or a drawing, a CAD drawing, come on in, we can sit down, we can consult about it and discuss how we can move forward with this. Please call the number on the screen and we can help you out.